The Afenifere, a faction of the Pan-Yoruba socio-political organization, hosted an event at the Palace of the Kabiyesi of Afenifere Group at Ilesha, Osun State, on to show their support to the Social Democratic Party. The meeting had present the 2023 SDP presidential candidate, Prince Dr. Adewale Adebayo, the SDP chairman, Professor Sadiq Umar Abubakar Gombe, ex-governor of Osun State, Prince Olagunsoye Onyelola, the Kabiyesi of Afenifere Group, Oba Oladipo Olaitan, the Onijimo of Ijimo, Ilesha, the Arewa Consultative Forum, the Northern Elder Forum, some SDP state chairmen and executives, and leaders from around the country. Meanwhile, in an interview, the 2023 SDP presidential candidate, Prince Dr. Adewale Adebayo, stated that the coming together of the Afenifere, the Arewa Consultative Forum, and the Northern Elder Forum, amongst other leaders from around the country, to support the Social Democratic Party shows what politics entails, which in turn would make it a greater good for the people of the country.
It's not a new alliance, it's a revitalization of the alliance that led to Nigeria. Nigeria is a negotiated federation from all walks of life, from the north, east, west, and the south. And that's how we went to Lancaster House and got independence. And our leaders formed political parties to lead this country in the first development plan. Then the military came, everything derailed. And what we have been doing so far is politics of the military, or the post-military politics. What we are doing here today with Afenifere, with Northern Leaders Forum, with Arewa Consultative Forum, with other leaders of the country, is to put together a philosophy of social democracy so that those who are going to politics will understand the social contract that politics entails, and that the people who want to give power to the political leaders will understand what we want to achieve, the greatest good for the greatest number of people in this country. A government that's the direct opposite of what we have been having in recent times. So that is why we are here. So it's not about SDP, it's not about Afenifere, it's about the founding philosophy for this country to have gained independence from Britain. To have said we need to organize ourselves, a government that will serve the people of Nigeria. That's what brought us here. The same reason Awolowo formed the Action Group, the same reason from the UPN, the same reason Aminu Kano formed the PRP, the same reason they formed NEPO earlier, the same reason why we have the UMBC, the same reason when the leaders came together and formed the Northern People's Congress, the same reason for the NCNC. So we're amalgamating all of that together to remind Nigerians that governance, good governance, is the reason for politics. Politics is not for the selfish interest of leaders, and is not for transactional politicians who are coming to invest their money like a casino and reap in abundance for themselves. It is for the people of Nigeria.
The chairman of Social Democratic Party, Professor Sadiq Umar Abubakar Gombe, appreciated the Afenifere Group for their confidence in the Social Democratic Party, SDP, and for their shared value. He also appreciated them for accepting their aspiration, which stands for justice.
The entire leadership of the SDP family are here, and that is why we equally have all our state chairmen from southwest and other part of the country that accompanied us so that we can come and share our aspiration with the Afenifere, which stands for social justice, and Afenifere's SDP's Afenifere is earlier highlighted by the KBC and all other leaders. So we want to thank God Almighty and thank Afenifere leadership for this confidence once again reposed onto the SDP for the shared value and principle that the SDP stands for, which is the same ideas that an ideology that Afenifere stands for. So we want to use this opportunity to thank the FIBC for his leadership that led to this adoption of the SDP by the Afenifere leadership. On behalf of the SDP family nationwide, we thank the Afenifere and we are assured that we are not going to let them down. We are going to stand firm by the principle and ideology for which we all take on our common heritage for rescuing Nigeria and for a better Nigeria.
In his speech, the leader of Afenifere, Oba Oladipo Olaitan, stated that being the president of Afenifere has been the help of God and support of his member. He admonished everyone to be resolute in their demand and focused in their belief.
There's God's presence in the life of everyone if you care to observe. If you care to observe. Nothing happens in life without an approval from God. You may think you are clever, you may think you are sharp. If you are sharp, God gave you that for a reason. So we are today, I'm certain in my mind that it is going to be. We are here today because it's anointed by God. It is God's wish. And therefore, I fear no foe. We should fear nothing. What we need to do is to be resolute in our demand and be focused in our belief, knowing fully well that God is with us. I want all of you to note this date, 31st of March, 2026. We shall be glad that it came.
Also speaking, the Deputy Director General of Northern Elder Forum, Salisu Mohammed, emphasized on the purpose of the formed alliance to support Social Democratic Party due to commonality of interest in different groups. He also shared his belief on how the alliance will bring stability to the country.
Well, there is a commonality of interest between the coming together of SDP and Afenifere in the program to promote a common agenda. And this is an agenda that we identify with, and we readily see the need to strengthen this kind of coming together, because by doing so the country will be solving its own problems, because now we are bedeviled by so many problems, and the only way we can get them aside is when we are putting our heads together to really see how best we can tackle them in a more efficient manner, so that people will understand themselves, and we promote solidarity and the feeling of brotherhood, because right now the country is sharply divided over nothing, and people are taking advantage of this division, stealing the resources of the country and rendering the country poor, and people are going into poverty because our factories are closed, unemployment is affecting the youth, there is insecurity in the north, there is all kinds of problems of kidnapping and division that the country is tearing apart. What we need is to come together, be one people, and see what we have that strengthen the country.
Afenifere is a well-known Yoruba socio-cultural and political organization in Nigeria, established to advance the interest, unity, and welfare of the Yoruba people within a democratic and restructured nation. It traces its origins to the Egbe Omo Oduduwa movement and the political philosophy of Obafemi Awolowo. Ajoke Akintimoye reporting for KAFTAN Television News.